is one thing people across different cultures have in common. For over 300 years, Spaniards have colonized the Philippines, producing the best cuisines in the world. The fusion of Spanish and Filipino flavors were one of the best things.
Actually, ang Indios na name is, ang among concept mangod is Filipino. Nasa siya Spanish-inspired Filipino food. So ang gitawag sa mga Spanish sa una sa Filipino is Indios, which means slave. So, mona
slavery, that is not true, the slavery. But actually, for a customer who come here, they're not what they call a slave. We're the slave for them, so we're going to serve for them.
Filipino restaurants and bars having Spanish-inspired ambience and names have become a hit, and joining to the hype is Indios. Indios is a Spanish word that roughly translates to slave, and in this resto-bar, you will not be the slave, but you will feel like a royalty because the staff are always ready to serve.
We want everyone to taste our food kay dili man siya mahal, affordable ra gyud kayo tanan, and then mona Filipino food, so also tourist.
Anyone can come.
The cuisines offered at Indios is based on the fusion of Filipino and Spanish cuisines. But they are also offering appetizing dishes such as linarang, fresh lumpia, and their specialty, pochero. Indios provides a space for a wide range of customers to enjoy foods and drinks more comfortably and easily in a more relaxed atmosphere created by their modern interior.
Specialty namo is kanang linarang. So sa pasil yun na flavor, sinugbang isda, nasa may gambas, ang amo ang karon na lami is our fried lumpia nga kanang fresh lumpia gi-fried namo.
And we also have sinugbang, tasik, and then we also have chicken barbecues and pork barbecues.
Parties and events are best held in Indios, as you can also book an exclusive space good for 25 persons for 3 hours at a very wholesome price of 6,000 pesos, consumable with food and drinks.
Every Friday, Saturday, nami acoustic bands. Pana siya from 8 to 11. And then, ang nasad may...
Well, yeah, also have promos from Monday to Thursday. We have 5+1 for our bucket of beer.
So if you're looking for your next food adventure, Indios is located in 168 Don Mariano Quay Street behind Cardinal Bake Shop.
We would like to invite everyone to come here at Indios, taste our food, drink our beer, and let's just have fun.
For MyTV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.